Let's go straight to Japan!
Good morning! Hi, good morning! We're happy we're early. Yes! Ah.
We are the first visitor.
Really?
We are the first in queue.
Asin, hi, good morning!
Here's the Pampavilla. Please uncover your hand, please.
Yeah,
Sorry.
there.
This is everything.
Hi.
I will give you like smartphone.
Can you get me one for me, please? Thank you.
Okay.
Okay. Hi. Nice.
So we will provide your device later. So please put your phone first and then just wait for a moment. Thank you so much.
Ah, thank you.
So this is the device you will use in this pavilion. So please complete all your setting. Oh, sorry. And you can put your phone to here. Yes.
Okay.
So much.
Okay, thank you. Select. Okay, let's Sony. What is this? Hero white flower.
Oh, wow. Wow. Pwede rin doon.
Ay, yung spring?
Yeah. Whoa.
You can go like left side or right side.
Space around the planet. The wine and cheesy space.
Wow.
Earth cream. Tingnan mo to. May mga pagkain. Giving the planets more flavor.
I'm so... Wow! Ay, wala.
Oh, like, look at this pencil na ginawan tree.
Okay.
This one is city.
Manga.
Look at these keyboards and calculators.
Keyboard building.
Keyboard buildings and calculators. Books. CDs. Yeah, sockets.
Oo nga na. Nice. Ito tayo, Ems. Look! You make me happy, booth. Ems, oh look! Ah! It's a bread train.
Yum! I think naman talaga nila na it's made in Japan dessert. Asya ko gandang culture.
Ito, popsicle.
Popsicle waiting. Ito, very imaginative. Pink part.
Kulay.
Disneyland. Ayos to.
Disneyland.
Look at the details. Look, this one, oh. Your coffee grinder.
Oo nga, no?
Kalita. Balloons. You want balloons? Made of
Sago pearl.
Oh, you look this way. Yes, you want to
flower. Yes.
Yeah, if you walk around, or if you walk, you have to also follow. Yeah, so just walk around. Yes, so if you walk around,
Oh, nga no. That's me. Oh, that's you. Yes, that's me.
happy lang pala dito eh.
Good vibes pala dito eh.
Pala eh. Happy Ako talaga nandito ko ulit.
Clap! Whoa! Russia!
for our lives.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Super. Yes. Morning. 2. Hi, good morning.
Is it first time?
Yeah.
I will explain
Is this
how.
okay?
Yeah, I will explain how to order.
Okay.
At first, you can take whatever you like from this okay. Okay. Then you can order from which Your order is coming from this apparat.
If I order here, it will come.
Yeah.
Okay.
When you finish eating, leave all plate on the table. Okay. Leave all plate on the table.
Leave all what?
Plate.
Plates. Yeah.
on the table.
Yeah. Okay.
If you have any question, push this button to close
This
or
one.
check
Yeah.
out.
Okay.
Okay, enjoy.
Thank you very much. So, dito na tayo sa loob ng Japan restaurant. It's called Sushi Roll. In-explain niya sa amin kung paano order at paano mag-check out. So, start eating!
Dito.
So, you can get whatever you want from here or we can order. You want ramen? So, I'll try this.
It's nice.
See, this is your order. This is mine.
Oh, ano pa?
Sarap na order ni Ma'am. Parang nag-90 pa. Soy sauce. Creamy, ang sarap. Hindi siya maalat sa kulang.
Wow.
I'm finally in Japan. At least see the food.
Panalo tong morning natin, no?
Diba? Perfect serving siya.
Oo nga, yun hindi masyadong marami.
Tuloy ako dito.
Sarap!
Japanese egg omelette. So yung mga red plates, 7 dirhams. So itong gray plate, 13 dirhams. Pag yellow, 19 dirhams. Pag ew.
Happy? Sarap. Good.
I will try this for the first time. Let's try. First time ko nga kain ng raw fish. Well, this is pickle. So, hindi naman siya ganun ka... Pero still. Wala na siyang lansa. Very soft yung tuna. Nalalasan ko yung yung spring onion.
So good?
Yeah, I think I can eat sushi.